we have to have another talk. So as the market is dumping and going down, just like I told you all would happen, I have some very good news for you. Some very possible good news for you. Even though cryptos are going down, that's actually good news. It's good news that cryptos and stocks are going down. If you look at the stock market today, it's continuing to crash pretty big, about almost 2% for the NASDAQ, 1.5%, I believe, for the S&P 500. That's pretty big. These are big moves. And the stock market is reacting negatively to the Fed speech, the Fed meeting. And cryptos are, reacting accordingly as well. Cryptos have not massively crashed, but they have dipped pretty big. I mean, 5% in the last 24 hours or so, give or take. So a decent move in the crypto market, which I said was my likely scenario that was going to happen. I also mentioned that there were bullish scenarios that could have easily just as happened, but because of my knowledge of understanding how the market works and where it's likely going, guess what? We were right. But it doesn't matter if you're right or wrong. It means nothing, honestly. But here's the thing. So interest rates right now are very high, and they are likely to continue to remain elevated. But what is bullish, what the bullish thing is that there's this new narrative out there, which is completely realistic. And this type of narrative is true in these certain times where we are in a recession and the interest rates are high. Guess what people do? They put their money into certain assets. One of those assets being gold, and there's another asset that is digital gold, and that's called Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. They are essentially digital gold. So there is a possibility that with high interest rates, the stock market always goes down. That the stock market could go down while gold goes up, and guess what? Digital gold is well. So cryptocurrencies, the good projects. People, I think, especially if we get a Bitcoin ETF approval, that will definitely happen. But we could see a huge real decoupling event in the crypto market as we saw in the last bull market. So I think things will probably continue to go down for a bit. But if things get really, really bad in the stock market, I could see cryptos decoupling because people are going to look for a safe asset, a safe hedge in this type of market while the stock market's going down. And I think that could be cryptocurrencies. So only time will tell. I mean, this is just a theory. Some experts are expecting this. I don't know too much about this. Like, I'm not an expert in this field. I'm an expert in trading, day trading. That's what my expertise is in. And I have a little bit of an understanding of economics and how the market works and when things are likely to go down, when things are likely to go up. But my expertise is in day trading cryptocurrencies and looking day to day, week to week for cryptocurrencies. But this is a possibility. Let me know if you guys think that this is a possibility. Some of you already probably believe and know that this is a possibility and even a very likely situation. So we have a couple of bullish catalysts to look for. We have the Bitcoin ETF approval. This is going to be absolutely massive, and it's going to change the game for cryptocurrencies forever when it's done. I believe it's going to get done. The experts of banks believe it's going to get done. BlackRock and all these institutions are applying for ETFs. Again, they got denied a couple of years ago, but now they're applying again. They're reapplying. Why would they reapply if they were going to get denied? So I think that they know something that we don't know, and they're going to get approved. When they're going to get approved, I do not know. And I'm expecting, quite possibly, before the next halving. Some people are expecting October for the approval. Some are expecting spring, sometime early next year, Q2, Q3, something like that. And I think that that's honestly more realistic, but I would certainly love to see it happen sooner. Ultimately, I think that Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are going to crash. I think Bitcoin will come down to about $16,000, maybe under that. A lot of you might think I'm crazy, but hey, it's quite possible. And if that does happen, I mean, this is what I'm thinking. I'm thinking that Bitcoin will do something like that, make a big move down, along with cryptocurrencies, Ethereum and XRP, a lot of our favorite cryptos. They're going to bottom, and then we have the Bitcoin ETF approval. And that's when we enter into the bull market. That's my current thoughts. Make sure you guys are on my Patreon, where I'm posting buy and sell alerts, trade alerts, long and short signals for cryptocurrencies every single week, where we are profiting every single week, guaranteed, or your money back. Make sure you are also using my ALGOSNIPER trading indicator. It will outperform you and every trader in the entire world. This thing will help you to make money when you don't know how to trade. If you're a beginner, or even if you are an advanced trader, you need to use this thing. You can try it today at 50% off today at ALGOSNIPER.com. And it's 30 days risk-free or your money back. That's going to be it for this video. So if you guys got something out of the video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.